Hi guys, and a very warm welcome to today's session. Today's session is based on the topics that are important for your upcoming circle-based officer, right? So we have SBI CBO examination in the pipeline, and it has come out that what will be their pattern, right? So the pattern for reasoning and computer aptitude section, you can see that we will be having 30 questions and they will be having 60 marks. So you can see that what is the weightage here. It's a high weightage. So you have general awareness and reasoning with the highest weightage here. So 30 questions, 60 marks. That means each question will carry 2 marks, or maybe some questions are more, some questions are less, but most probably it will be each question with 2 marks. And you have 30 minutes to do the same. Now this is a examination that is based on some people who are eligible. So the ones who are having some experience in the field of banking, 2 years experience in the field of banking, they were eligible for the same, right? So the level of the paper can be expected to be not on the higher side. बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं होगा. It will be based on moderate level, easy to moderate level के ही questions होंगे. You will not be finding any mains level examination questions which you normally find in your SBI. You can prepare as per the level of SBI PO pre, right? So उस level का कर सकते, but yes, there are some topics like critical reasoning, data sufficiency, which may be a part of this examination. Now the point here is that we do not have any past year paper because this is not happened in a recent past. बहुत recently तो हुआ नहीं है. 2009, 2014 इस तरह से हुए हैं examinations. So तब तो पूरा का पूरा pattern ही अलग था. We had some visual reasoning questions in there, but अब the pattern has completely changed for all the computer based examinations, right? So for reasoning and aptitude, computer aptitude, you can expect the normal questions that you may have in your prelims. तो जो prelims में आता है उसी की तरह आपका यहाँ पर भी question आएगा. So some of the important topics which you have to prepare at a moderate level, right? So you got to prepare it at a moderate level. So if you are preparing at moderate level, you will be able to attempt it easily. तो easy to moderate ही होगा पेपर का लेवल, उससे ज्यादा नहीं जाएगा, right? So we will have questions based on seating arrangement. We know that half of the questions for any examination for reasoning, if you are particularly topping, half of the questions will be based on puzzles and seating arrangement. Now out of these seating arrangement, the questions can be based on circular arrangement, right? Can be linear arrangement, can be 2 rows, right? Can be unknown as well, but it's a less probability. But yes, there can be two unknown also. Then there can be stack or building, right? So these are some of the arrangement based questions which you might get. So please prepare it well. Yes, there may be an introduction of one variable again. So one variable can be introduced, but not more than that, because the level will not be that difficult. In puzzles, you can have your day based puzzles, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day based puzzles हो सकता है, या फिर date based puzzles हो सकता है. That is, in a month there are 2 dates in which some event is happening. There can be a year based puzzle also. That is, these people were born on these years and their age is there given, right? Sequence based हो सकता है. That is, some of the events are happening in a sequence. That is, A bought apples before B, or A went to the market before B, or 2 items were bought between A and C. तो उस तरह का sequence में होता है कि वो stack की तरह ही solve होता है. So these type of questions can be there in puzzles again, right? You can also have something based on designation. A easy question based on designation also can be there, right? So whatever topics you prepare for your SBI PO pre, you should also prepare for your CBO, right? So circle based officer के लिए भी same ही आपके topics है. Apart from that, inequalities, yes, you have to take care of inequalities and syllogism. These are very easy questions. You have to score well. Now, you know that there are 30 questions in 30 minutes, 60 marks, right? So, reasoning has to be prepared well because each question will be of 2 marks. And guys, please remember that there is no sectional cutoff. It has been mentioned in the notification that there is no sectional cutoff. They will be taking the aggregate score, right? So, you have to score well in each of these sections, but it is not necessary that let's say if you are not able to make it through कोई एक question कोई एक section अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, तो it is not necessary that you will not be able to qualify, because they will be taking the overall cutoff, overall aggregate लेंगे, sectional cutoff नहीं लेंगे, but there is a sectional timing in each of these sections. Like for reasoning you have 30 minutes, right? So inequalities and syllogism, you have to prepare it very well. These will be normal direct questions. Syllogism may have some questions based on only a few. Some may be on normal questions as well. All or some or no का combination भी हो सकता है, right? And inequalities again will be of the direct format. So direct format के questions होंगे. Then you have input, output and coding, decoding. Coding, decoding again can be of the pattern of Chinese coding, decoding, or can be a normal questions of clerk level, that this is coded as this, then what will be the code of this, or something that you have been given a table and set of rules, and from those rules you have to find the code, right? So these are the types of questions which you can expect from coding, decoding. For input, output again you can get the normal original input, output जो पुराने questions में आता था, उस तरह का input output you can expect to have, that is based on some logic you will be having, you will be expected to arrange the input, right? You have to understand the logic and then you have to expect you have to arrange the input as per the same logic. Or it may be a number based arrangement as well. Number based पे भी questions हो सकते हैं, that every step is having a different logic, so you have to understand the logic and apply the same logic on the input, right? So input, output, coding, decoding again are a very important topic. There may be questions based on data sufficiency. So data sufficiency again will be based on puzzles and seating arrangement and maybe blood relation, or something that is, let's say A remembers that the birthday of C was between 25 and 27. So those type of questions can also be a part of data sufficiency. Again, these data sufficiency questions, if they are there, will be only two statement data sufficiency, because they will not be making the paper level very high. So अगर आएगा तो two statement data sufficiency आना चाहिए. Apart from that, please prepare blood relation based questions of your family tree. तो blood relation questions अच्छे से prepare करो family tree पे based, that is you will be expected to make a family tree, and then maybe 3 questions are asked from the same, right? So blood relation can be a part of your syllabus again. Then alphanumeric series, or maybe a word based series, you have 3 letter words, right? So those are the type of question which you can expect here, right? So 3 letter words or numbers, those type of questions can also be a part of your examination. So prepare well, right? Alphanumeric series, that is you will be given a string where you have alphabets, numbers and maybe special characters, and then you have questions, that is how many such numbers are there which are followed by a even number and immediately preceded by a special character, right? So these type of questions can be there. And 3 letter words or numbers, that is, let's say 3 letter words, so cat, mat, they will be giving, and they will be asking questions that if all the words, in all the words you are replacing the first alphabet with S, so how many meaningful words can be formed? Or in numbers, maybe they will ask that all the odd numbers are increased by 1 and even number are decreased by 1, so how many of them will be divisible by 5? So something like those questions can be there in this, right? So series based questions can be there. Alphanumeric series पे हो सकता है, 3 letter words के series पे हो सकता है, या numbers पे भी हो सकता है. Apart from that, direction sense is one more important topic for you. So it's either blood relation, either you will get a blood relation question or a direction sense question. Similarly, either you will get a inequality or a syllogism. You will get both of these, that is seating arrangement and puzzles. दोनों ही आएगा. It's not that you will be getting only seating arrangement and only puzzles. So you will be having a combination of both. Mostly seating arrangement are more in number than puzzles are expected to be more, right? Then there is critical reasoning. You have to prepare these questions well. We may have some 3-4 questions from this as well, but yes, you have to prepare it well, right? Because each question carries 2 marks. So please understand that there are 30 questions, 30 minutes and 60 marks. So each question is carrying 2 marks. That means the negative is also high. 1/4 of 2 is 0.5. So 0.5 negative mein jayega if you mark it wrong. So please be very careful with the accuracy, guys, right? So these are some of the topics which you have to prepare very well. So please prepare this, and yes, we are coming up with a crash course for the same. So we are coming up with a crash course which will be having 80 plus recorded lectures, entire descriptive English which will be taken by Harshita ma'am. She will be preparing you with essay and letter writing. So do attend this, and yes, complimentary access of banking and financial awareness by Aditya Sir, right? And also we will have LPS for your reasoning and quant section, right? So it's available for 1999 only. It's starting very soon. So 17th November onwards we will be starting it, right? So I hope everybody is clear with the topics here, that what are the topics, and you are clear with the schedule, with the test pattern, that what will be the pattern here. There is no sectional cutoff, guys, remember, but there is a sectional timing for each of these sections, right? So please remember that reasoning 30 and 60 marks, 30 questions 60 marks, so 2 marks each. Similarly for general awareness also, you can see 30 questions 60 marks, again 2 marks each. So you can see every question here, that is 30, 20, 20, everything is of 2 marks. You can see 100 questions in total, and the total number is 200. So please be very careful that every question is carrying 2 marks. So it will also be a negative in 0.5, right? 1/4. And 2 hours is the total duration for this one. And you have another 30 minutes for your descriptive paper, right? Letter writing and essay. Harshita ma'am will be explaining it more. So do not worry, she will be giving you certain topics for the same. So please have a look at this one, this complete crash course. This will be very beneficial if you are going to appear for this upcoming examination. So I hope this is clear to everyone. I'll see you soon with this another session, and please have a look at this session. Isko zarur dekhega. It will be helpful for you. Thank you, guys. Please take care. Stay safe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.